In this question, we have to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. Now look at such questions. Whenever such questions are given, for the beginning part, I am saying that whatever is written with q or any variable here, that will be considered as divisor. And we have to use Euclid's division lemma in this question. Now look at this question, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 1, 3 and 5. So this is actually of the form a is equal to bq plus r. So we'll begin with Euclid's division lemma. What is Euclid's division lemma? For any two positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r, where r is less than b and is greater than equal to 0. Now with the question given, I have decided that the value of b is equal to 6. Now if b is equal to 6, then r is less than 6 and is greater than equal to 0. Now what does that mean mathematically? Mathematically that means r can be equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It cannot be equal to 6 because it has to be less than 6 and b is equal to 6. Now you substitute all these values here in Euclid's division lemma. So a will be equal to, b means 6, q plus में what is the remainder? It can be 0, 6q plus में 1, 6q plus में 2, because I have seen that my remainders can be 0 to 5, and it can be 6q plus 3, it can be 6q plus 4 and it can be 6q plus 5, right? So any positive integer is expressed as 6q plus 0, 6q plus 1 and so on up to 6q plus 5. Now they are saying it has to be, if it is odd, then it is of this form. That means we have to figure out which is even and which is odd. So 6q plus 0 can be written as 6q. I can take 2 common here, so I can write 2 into 3q. I can take 2 common here, 3q plus 1. I can take 2 common here, 3q plus 2. Now if I can take 2 common, that means this is even, this is also even and this is also even, right? Now what does that mean? The remaining ones are odd. So 6q plus 1 is odd. How is this odd? Because 6 into q, 6 के साथ किसी भी नंबर को आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो वो क्या आएगा? Even number. 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 10s are 60, all are even. So multiple of 6 is even plus में 1, so it is odd number. Then 6q plus 3, so 6q is even plus में 3, so it is again odd. 6q plus 5, it is again odd. So I can see which are the odd numbers: 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. And this is what they said, every positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. Now see what does that mean actually. आप किसी भी नंबर को लोगे पॉजिटिव ऑड इंटीजर मैं ले लेती हूँ 31. कैन यू राइट 31 इन वन ऑफ दीज फॉर्म्स विच दे आर टेलिंग यू? आइदर इट इज़ मल्टीपल ऑफ 6 प्लस 1, मल्टीपल ऑफ 6 प्लस 3, मल्टीपल ऑफ 6 प्लस 5. चेक दिस. 31 कैन बी रिटन एज 6 इंटू 5 प्लस में 1. सो इट इज़ ऑफ द टाइप 6q प्लस 1, मल्टीपल ऑफ 6 प्लस में 1. चेक 33. दिस इज़ अगेन ऑड. 33 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 6 5s are 30 प्लस में 3. So it is of the form 6q plus 3. So you can think of any number, it should be odd. अगर मैंने 100 ले लिया तो गलत है, but I can take 101. So 101 is 16 6s are 96 plus में 5. So it is 6q plus 5. So you can write every odd integer in the form of either 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, right? Now let us take one more example. Every even positive integer is of the form 4q and 4q plus 2. Now I've already told you that I'll begin with whatever is written with this variable. So my divisor is 4, right? So we'll begin with Euclid's division lemma. So you will write the complete statement here. What is the complete statement? For any two positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r. I am not writing the complete statement, but you have to write. And r is less than b and greater than equal to 0, right? Now I have decided my value of b is 4. So if my value of b is 4, then r is greater than equal to 0 but less than 4. That means r की क्या values हो सकती हैं? 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now if you go with this, then a is equal to 4 into q plus में 0, because remainder is either of the 4 terms. So 4q plus 1, 4q plus 2 and 4q plus 3. Now can you see which one is odd and which one is even? I am erasing this 0 because 0 does not make any difference. So 2 into 2q, and this is 2 times 2q plus 1. So which is even? This is even and this is even. So what I have discussed here is that every positive even integer, even कौन सा वाला है? It is 4q and 4q plus 2. So what is odd? 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. And what does that mean? अगर मैं 16 नंबर लेती हूँ तो 16 को हम किस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं? 4 into 4 प्लस में 0. So it is actually of the form 4q plus 0. If I take 18, then it can be written as 4 into 4 plus में 2. So it is 4q plus 2. So every even positive integer is of the form 4q and 4q plus 2. You can take any. If you take 100, it is 4 into 25 plus में 0. So again this is of the form 4q plus में 0. So every even positive integer can be expressed either as 4q or 4q plus 2. And if I take odd, suppose I take 17, then 17 can be written as 4 into 4 plus में 1. So it is of the form 4q plus में 1. So you can take any example. Every integer is expressible in the form 4q, 4q plus 1, 4q plus 2 and 4q plus 3. Out of them, those which are of the form 4q and 4q plus 2 are even, and those which are of the form 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3 are odd, right?